2002. Aaron is home from UCLA. The year, the sophomore year, UCLA. And guess what he's doing? Aaron, what are you doing?
Building Gingerbread House.
A gingerbread house?
Yeah.
Whoa. That sounds like a traditional thing you've been doing. Let's take a look at the box. This is what it's going to look like. We hope. We were going to do it earlier, but we didn't have the cement, which is really what Aaron has in his hand. The cement to put it together. You're going to check every few minutes on the progress. Right now he's working on the base. Well, she's ready for Christmas. And look up here. You see all this? It's a window wonderland. On the other side. This is putting Aaron's skills at UCLA School of Arts and Architecture to perfect use. Would you agree?
Sure did.
Yeah, okay. Little people for the gingerbread house. You're going to glue them down, aren't you?
Yep.
Okay. That's a finish on the plate project.
Okay. Let's see.
Come on.
Aaron was hearing this music when he was just a baby. It was playing at my mom's house. That's when he recorded
This
it.
one?
No, this
Wow.
tape.
Hmm.
Aaron was 6 months old.
Wow. Sweet
That
present.
was from Aaron's first Christmas.
Yeah, remembers it. Aaron remembers it, right, Aaron?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks better than the picture.
that's it. Just gonna have
Wrapping it up now.
frosty there.
Okay. Drops of snow.
Let's see.
Picture. That's it. What do you think, Fuzzy? Think it'll be okay? I think so. What are you doing? Oh.